Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopea tutorials how to change text color. Okay, now I will create new project and we use default template settings. Use these tools, type tools to create text, and I will set the names into Mufasu Cat. Click OK. Now if you want to change this text color, you can double click and then you can select text or words. I will select in it for the cat and click at this button. Now you can see it will be automatically appear for color picker. So I will set like into this color and click OK. Now if you click in another word, it will be automatically change the text color. You also can set again, select in here, I will sort, change the color into green, click OK. And if you're done, you can click this button, confirm. So that's it, how to change text color in Photopea. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.